Hello everyone, how are you all? Good, a very big good morning to everyone. And today is a very special day, that is Telangana Formation Day. A very big happy Telangana Formation Day to everyone. Today, parents, in this 60 days, 60 or 65 days, so children, everyone, they are in the house only. So please appreciate them, teach them. Please don't irritate on them. I am not saying that you will irritate, but children, they make messy things, they make naughty things, but you please appreciate them, you please say them good. Okay? I hope you will definitely do that. Don't take it in another way. I'm just saying this. Because elders, we don't sit in one place. Small children, they were 60 days in the house. It's really a very big thing. Inside the house, not going out anywhere, like for a shopping or for eating or for a long drives or a parks or something like that. So we all should appreciate these children. Okay, so we'll continue. Yesterday we said some strokes. Today also we continue with the same strokes. Give this practice to the children. I'll write it on the board. Just have a look. Pre-writing concept. Yesterday we told. Okay, let us continue the same concepts what we said yesterday, standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, today I am going to give you some pictures, and with that help of pictures we can do it. Parents, you just draw a cloud like this. It's very simple to draw also. And cloud means always raindrops. So just put a dots like this, a straight dots, just a straight dots. They enjoy coloring picture, they enjoy seeing pictures moreover. Right? Rather writing on a plain paper, see, like this, if you can keep a big cloud and a drops. Drops means these are dots. And tell your children to just rewrite on these dots like this. Standing line. Tell them to join the dots. Standing line, and standing line. Not only this picture, any other picture also you can give. But this is easy for me to draw, so I'll give it. And now this is standing line. Now next one is sleeping line. Sleeping line also, it's very easy. Clouds, birds are flying, there is a small boat over here, and there is a water under the boat. This is a water with the dotted lines. These are all sleeping lines. Just to keep engage them, we can create some picture like this with the help of strokes. Tell them to color these clouds and the birds and the boat. Tell them to join the dots. This is even sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, like this. So for 2-3 days you give these 2 lines practice. Then next time we'll go to slanting line, right side slanting line, left side slanting line. Okay, let us do with some alphabets for identification. This is the alphabet tree, and these are capital letters. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, and capital Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on your bread. If you don't want it, better go to bed. Early in the morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. Very good. Next, after letters, turn for some numbers. There are numbers. This is a number 3. Right? Come on, let's count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our parents stress them to read these 11, 12, 13, like if we come for 13, teens. Many children, they make a mistake, like, they say 30 instead of 13. So stress them to read 13, 14, teen. See the way difference. 30, 40, 13, 14. So stress them reading these numbers. Many children, they'll get confused for this one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20. Whenever we read tens like 1010, 2020, 3030, tell them to read it individually. 2020, 1010, 2020, 3030. Teens, T's, there are difference. So please stress them. The next concept is some comparisons. We'll do some comparisons like tall, short, fat, thin, like that. I'll draw some pictures and I'll show some objects also. What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball, a big ball. How much big? See, this much big. And this is a small ball, big, small. Look here, big. This is a big, small, big, small, right? You have many things at your house, just compare and see. You have balls, right? Big, small, right? The next object is bottles. See, this is a big bottle, this is a small bottle. Big bottle and small bottle, right? Practice well.